the punch box is marked down to $27. So the stamp set, let me find it. I've got it right here. It comes with 2 of the little Stampin' Spots, Real Red, Call Me Clover. And then the stamps are fabulous. I love it. I love the punch even more so because I like it better than the one that's in the annual catalog. Okay, so I'm going to fold this over just like that. If y'all could see some of the bloopers from the years past, oh my gosh, it's just crazy. I wish I'd saved them. Okay, so I folded point to point, so you got a nice, whatever that's called. And now I'm going to fold this down about 1 inch from the bottom, just like that. And then I'm going to fold this over right under that score line, and then I'm going to fold this over right over top. You really need your bone folder for this. Okay, so let's say you're looking at this and you're like, I don't really like how that looks. Like maybe the paper that you used isn't what you prefer. So you can take it apart and use the opposite side. And I have done this before. So let's fold this over. And look, so now which one do you prefer? I actually like this side better. Okay, so we're gonna take, I have on my blocks, Sending Christmas Wishes and Merry and Bright. So I just need to decide which one I want to do. Since I haven't used the Sending Christmas Wishes on a video, I don't think, we'll use that one. So I'm going to use Cherry Cobbler ink. I'm going to take that Christmas Traditions Punch Box Punch and cut that one out. And then I'm going to take the 1.5 inch circle punch and I'm going to cut out a cherry cobbler. And I'm going to take my adhesive. Wait, do I want to do that? Yeah, I do. And then I'm going to take a dimensional. And now we want to cut out a, look, I have my bowl, my little magnetic bowl, so I don't lose my framelit. Big Shot, magnetic platform and cutting pad. I'm going to take my gray granite cardstock and cut that out. And just because we're going to maybe assemble that other one that I tossed aside, we're going to cut a gray granite, or not gray granite, what is this color? Garden green. I don't want that one, that's for the other one. So let's add this here. So if you guys have not checked out the year-end closeout sale, don't forget to look at that. I need to look at it again. Okay, so I'm going to place that there. Now, the dilemma is where to add the farmhouse twine. And I don't know if this is sold out, but I will tell you how I decided this, is that I believe, I could be wrong, I think it's the only cherry cobbler ribbon we have. I think it's the only cherry cobbler ribbon we have. And if we have another one, then I don't have it on my shelf. And let's see. No, that one's too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 pieces. I want to make a double bow. I just noticed I still have my Pikachu Band-Aid on. I meant to take that off. It's been on since this morning. It looks kind of gnarly. In the wintertime, my cuticles just bleed. It's so dry. Okay, tie in the double bow. I'm going to trim the ends. Let's see. That's cute, right? So I'm going to take a glue dot. Oh, I have to show y'all something. For those of you that haven't been to my website yet today, okay, I've just got to check. It's too big for there. You could put, so if you don't want to put the bow up here, you could put it down here. I still think I like it up here though. I do. So I'm going to place the, Rut-row, come here. The glue dot there. And then attach it. Isn't that cute? So then you just put your little treat inside there. Here's the thing. This same exact project, you can just make it with a 9x9 sheet. So this is 6x6. All you have to do for a 9x9 is just do it the exact same thing. It's just a little bit bigger. Oh, the gift card fits. Yay, good. But you could do a larger one. Okay, so... Okay, so there's the larger one. That's a very nice size pocket, right? I think this might actually be the size I made first a long time ago before I made this little teeny tiny size. Well, it's not teeny tiny. It's a nice little size. This is a 5x5. I mean, it should, yeah, it should work for any, right? I think so. Oh, this one's cute. A teeny tiny one. This one is a teeny tiny. I called the other one teeny tiny. Look at there. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Let's see. Well, that little Andy's. Probably the regular size Andy's. Oh, no, that fits. It's a little big. Maybe use the regular. Yeah. Oh, look. Baby, mama, and daddy. That's how my brain works. Mama bear, papa bear, and baby bear, right? Yeah, you can literally whip these projects out super, super quick. Like, what do I call them? Quick and get her done. Just buy yourself a big old bag of candy. Like I said, these came from the Dollar General store and they taste so yummy. Yeah,